What is Rednote? Rednote, also known as Xiaohongshu in China, is a rapidly growing social media platform blending features of Instagram and Pinterest, with a strong focus on lifestyle content like beauty, fashion, travel, food, and shopping. Launched in 2013 by Miranda Q and Charlwin Mao, it has evolved from a cross-border e-commerce platform into a vibrant community-driven app with over 300 million monthly active users. Backed by major investors like Alibaba and Tencent, Rednote allows users to share personal stories, reviews, and product recommendations while integrating social shopping for seamless product discovery and purchases. Recently, it has gained traction in the US, particularly among users seeking alternatives to TikTok amid potential bans. The platform provides a unique glimpse into Chinese culture and fosters global connections, but its ties to China's regulations have raised concerns about data privacy and content censorship. Despite these challenges, Rednote continues to expand its reach, offering a creative and interactive space for users worldwide.